Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba, as you know me. And today, guys, I'll be showing you just how we were able to capitalize on GBP USD. And also, you'll be able to take these trades if you follow what we do on this channel. So, without wasting much time, you know what to do as I bring all the knowledge into Forex trading. Also, I need your support, guys. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop. So make sure, guys, you subscribe and also share with your friends and family so that other people can be able to get the forex knowledge. And also, if you like to learn directly from the forex hero himself, you know what to do. Click the link below. If you like to use the broker that I'm using, yes, the best broker that I use, click the link below and open your trading account now. Let's go into the charts. Yes, guys, I'm on the charts now, but firstly, I like to show you guys how we managed to capitalize on this one. Here's the picture where we are able to capitalize. This was an entry taken today. Also, remember that in forex trading, you can never get the perfect entry. You are as good as your last entry. As a forex trader, always remember that whenever you take trades, trade with caution, risk well, uh, analyze well, and make sure that you're psychologically prepared for that trade. Once you put in that trade, don't put your mind too much into it. Don't be saying being worried about you losing. So you can see on this MT4, we capitalized on this one and eventually reached our TP. So let me show you on the charts what I mean by that. As you can see on the charts, this was our analysis. I knew that we are having a correction to the upside, and therefore we are having a previous impulse. As I always mention, this impulse move, then this happens to be a correction, then came here, then we broke. So as you can see, our entry was outside here. As I always mention, that once you have your entries after the break, it simply means that you are taking a reduced risk entry. A risk entry would have been here, but also, how did I know that it's going to turn here? I use multiple tools to help me be able to see where the market is going to turn. Firstly, I use order blocks. As you can see here, this is my last bullish candle here. I used it as well. And also, another tip trading tool that I used was this one. As I could see that we are between 618 and 78.6. So hence my stop loss for this one, I have an entry and my stop loss was above 78.6. So risking well enabled me to be able to hold and not be worried that I'll lose this trade. As you can see, this trade is 1:2, could be more. 1:2, what is it? 1:2 or more. Yes. Yeah, something like 1:2, I remember. So make sure that we are risking one, but we are profiting 2 times or more of that. So understand, you can see how you need to understand is whenever you take trades that are right for your account. Take trades that you will be able to risk well. Don't be rushing into taking bigger trades or trading pairs that you don't analyze. So let's start by, I need to pay my pro plan. It's expired. After this, I have to pay. Okay. I started from daily time frame. Starting from daily time frame, I could see that I have this this trading channel here. As you can see, ascending trading channel. But having that, I also went to 4-hour time frame. By going to 4-hour time frame, I was able to see and understand that we are now heading into the downward movement. Why? We're having a pattern within a pattern. This channel is a pattern, and you can see that I'm having another pattern which happens to be this. So I could see that for this, for us to keep on going up, we don't need to break here. We need to have this pushing into the same direction, respecting the lower low and breaking the higher high. So, but by me looking at this, seeing that we had broken here, we broke here, and then we came to retest before we showed to the downside. That's one of the things that you could have used here if you wanted to take this trade. You need to see that we broke, so you wait for a retest. So a retest simply means that if you are saying we are might as well going into the higher direction, you can also look at this might also be looked at something like a head and shoulders, something like this. You see? So there are many patterns that you could have advised or also understood here. You can see this one, it's a head and shoulder pattern as well. As you can see, we broke here with a channel. We broke to the downside, corrected here, retest. This was a retest. Let me write it. This was a retest. So by us retesting here, I know that if we fail to break above, we are definitely pushing to the upside. But if we had broken, I would wait for a retest here before I continue with the upward movement. I'll wait for the market to come inside here or wait for a retest here, because sometimes you can get situation like this. So I'll wait for a retest, impulse, correction, impulse. So as you can see here, we had something like this. Let me draw it in a simpler way. We broke, and then we had this, this, this. You see? So this was something like this. We broke, and then we came to retest here, and then hence we had this situation here. Let me do this. Yeah. Hence we had this situation here to the upside here before we push to the downside. So this as well became a correction. So you can see we broke out of the uptrend. Then now we corrected, creating what? A downtrend. So now we are looking at this market going to the downside. So we can look at going to the downside now, because we can see that we retested here. So we have no control over the market. We have to follow what the market is going. So I expect the market to come and push to here. I expect the market to push to here. So let me clear my charts. As I like to keep my charts clean, also do the same, guys. Having it chart with many things makes you not have the right information. But with here, I want to show you guys something. If you don't know where the market is going to take, use the fib rule. You can see you're having signs, but are you sure it's going to turn there? But for me, what I would use fib retracement, or also use this. I just want to see. This is a volume measure. So you just want to see where the volume, the highest volume could be. So I can see it somewhere around here. So it's possible that the market can do, you see, pushed up. It's possible that the market can do this before push to the upside. You understand? So this also assists in seeing the possibilities of what might happen. So let's see. But if we break below, I'll be happy to sell and continue to the downside, because as we know, this we are having a certain move that this happened here, something like this. You see? Okay. So I like to wait and see what's going to happen on this one, but I'm glad the rest of the team members capitalize on the trade that we do, and also we're able to understand and capitalize on the moves that I always emphasize. Look at the trade, what it's doing. So make sure, guys, you follow the rules, plan your trade, and trade your plan. That's the right thing to do. All you need to do is know which direction the market is going, follow the trend, don't create a trend for yourself. As from me, your favorite mentor, one and only Forex Hero, I'm here to assist you guys. Click the like, click the subscribe, and also notification bell so that you can be notified every time I drop. See you in the next video. Peace, 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 peace.